Enjoy the view of this 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe. With less than 110,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Relax and enjoy the road trip in this convenient, well-equipped Santa Fe. Crossover versatility, striking looks, the latest infotainment and safety tech, and a spacious, comfortable cabin are yours in this stylish, family-focused SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, fog lamps, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, auxiliary audio input, cruise control. Comfort blends with versatility in bold, modern style in this striking Santa Fe. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.